Now for the count, Tom counted many things. Today we're going to solve problems in which there are 10 more of each thing. We'll take the number of things that Tom counted in the story and add 10 and find out how many there are in all. So we're going to start with the page where Tom's counting goats, and I will read it to you. The mountainside was cold and bare, the wind that whiffled through Tom's hair brought to his ears a mournful note, the gentle bleating of a goat. Some goats are small, some goats are sweet. Tom's weren't, they had great horns and feet. When 36 goats cut up rough, one cannot exit fast enough. Okay, so we're gonna model what 36 goats looks like on our 100 frame. So I'm gonna count by tens. I have 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. And we're going to solve this word problem. Tom counted 36 goats. There are 10 more. How many goats are there in all? Okay, so remember when we filled 10 frames and had spillovers. The 100 frame works the same way. We can look at a row of 10 and see what spills over. Let's add the 10 squares to represent the 10 more goats. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So you can see here that we have groups of 10 and we have some spillovers. So how many total do we have now? We can count that. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. So we know that there are 46 goats in all. So let's use numbers to write what we did. We started with 36 and added 10 to get a sum. Remember, sum is the answer to an addition equation. So we got a sum of 46 goats. It took 4 to fill the row. And then it had 6 squares in the 5th row. So I can represent that by showing 36 plus 4 equals 40, and 40 plus 6 equals 46. All right, let's do one more. We still got some time. Let's do the page with the bears. So Tom counted 61 bears. So I'm going to get rid of these ones here. And I'm going to write my problem. Tom counted 61 bears. Let's model that. We have 30 there, so 30, 40, 50, 60, and 1. So 61 bears are represented on our hundredths chart. And we're going to add 10 more. How many bears are there in all? Okay, how many bears are there in all? So we're gonna go ahead and add our 10 and see how many spill over. Maybe you can think about that while I'm counting this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, so let's see how many bears there are. 61 plus 10 equals 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and 1 spillover equals 71. So I can think about this problem if I want to show our spillovers as 61 plus 9, here's the 9, equals 70, here's the 70, plus our 1 spillover. Okay, so your job today is going to be to work on doing some similar problems on page 21. You're going to color in with 2 different colors, or you can use, some of you are using X's and O's, that's perfectly fine. You're going to model what the equation is, and then you're going to fill out what the spillover, or what it takes to get to the friendly 10, and then add your 10s plus your 1s. So you have this video as an example, and then up at the top right here is another example of what you're supposed to do. So you got page, you have 3 problems today. You're going to take a picture of it on Seesaw and submit it.